Hello students, welcome to Second Teacher. I'm glad to see all of you. So today we will be doing some important questions keeping our target 2025 in mind. These are PYQs and the formats are very often repeated in the CBSE class 10 board exams. So the first question, let us look at the first question. A vessel is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a hollow cylinder of the same diameter. The diameter of the hemispherical bowl is 14 centimeter and the height of the vessel, total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the vessel. This is also a suggestion for your 2025 board and it was a CBSE 2013 question. So let's try to draw the diagram first. So there is a hemisphere and this hemisphere is surmounted by a cylinder. It is given that the diameter of both are the same. Okay. So this is the cylinder. So I know hemisphere. So this is the radius of the hemisphere R and the total height is H. Okay, total height I have taken as H and the height of the cylinder I will take as small h. So these I'll write, okay? While writing also we have to write. So given, let us write what is given. To us, it is given that diameter is of cylinder equal to D and that is equal to 14 centimeter. So radius is nothing but D by 2. So that is 7 centimeter. So uh, diameter of the cylinder, or I will write diameter of the hemisphere here, not the cylinder. Let us take it first, the hemisphere. Hemisphere. Okay. So also given is the total height, which is H I have taken, and that is equal to 13 centimeter. It is given. Therefore, height of cylinder. Height of cylinder is equal to H minus R, and that is equal to 13 minus 7 centimeter, which is 6 centimeter. And radius of cylinder is the same as that of the hemisphere. Radius of cylinder is the same. So we will take it as R and that is equal to 7 centimeter. Right? So I have data for the hemisphere and the cylinder. Now they have asked find the total surface area of the vessel. Now this is a hollow, okay? So one surface area is outside the vessel and one surface area is inside the vessel, right? So that we have to remember. And if I want to find out the outer surface area only, then how will we find out? Find the total surface area of the vessel. So here the total surface area of the vessel is nothing but total surface, the curved surface area of the hemisphere, not the total surface area. Okay, so the curved surface of the area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. And 2 pi rh, that is the curved surface area of the cylinder. So here I can take 2 pi r as common and r plus h I can do. So 2 into pi we will always take as 22 by 7 into r is 7 centimeter and r is 7 centimeter and h is 6 centimeter. That's it. Okay. Now this is inside and this is outside as well. So I will take it twice. This surface area is inside and outside as well. So I have another into 2 here. Clear? because it is the hollow cylinder. So 7, 7 cancels. Let me take another color. So 7, 7 cancels. 2, 2 cancels. Right? Okay, this 2 is not at the bottom, so we have to be very careful while writing. So into 2 is on top only. So this is 44 into 2. Okay, 44 into 2 centimeter into 7 plus 6 is 13 centimeter. So 88 into 13. And I think that will come as 1144. Quickly check your answer. Yes, I want all of you to put answer in the chat box. That is 1144 centimeter square. That is the first question that we have solved. Okay, it was a 3 mark or a 4 mark question it will come for. Okay, let's go to the question number 2. It says from a hollow cylinder of height 20 centimeter and diameter 12 centimeter, a conical cavity of height 8 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the cylinder. So given two things are given here for me after I read the question. So I can write there is a cylinder and there is a cone. Okay. So these two things are given. In cylinder, the height h is equal to 20 centimeter and diameter d equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to diameter by 2, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So this I know. In the cone, I know the height of the cone is, so let me take it as a capital H. Height of the cone is 8 centimeter and the radius of the cone is the same as that of the cylinder. So I will take it as r equal to 6 centimeter. So how the diagram will look? The diagram will look like this. There is a cylinder. There is a cylinder like this. And here what I have done, I have carved out a cone. This cone, no? I have curved it out. That means there is hollow there. Okay, now. So this height h is equal to 20 centimeter. And this height is h, capital H. This is the radius r. Okay. And this is the radius r. Now it is clear. So now we need the total surface area. So what is the here, if I have to find the total surface area, so top part, this top part, we have already scooped it out. So there is nothing here that is hollow here, this green part that I have made. So there is only one circle at the bottom. So pi r square, right? There is this curved surface area, 2 pi rh for the cylinder. And there is a curved surface area of the cone. So curved surface area of the cone, how we are denoting? We are denoting it as pi r L, right? Curved surface area of cone. So then I need the L. I need the L, right? Clear? I need the L here. So that I have to calculate. So what is formula for L? L is equal to under root of h square plus r square for the cone. So under root of 8 centimeter whole square plus 6 centimeter whole square. So that is equal to under root of 100 centimeter square if you solve, and that is equal to 10 centimeter. That is the that is the slant height of the cone. Okay, that is the slant height of the cone. This is my slant height of the cone. And this h is nothing but the height of the cone. Okay. So now you can find out the total surface area of the remaining solid. So let's do total surface area of the remaining solid. Total surface area of remaining solid. कैसे आएगा ये? इसमें एक पाई आर स्क्वायर है, जो नीचे वाला पाई आर स्क्वायर मैंने दिखाया, प्लस 2 पाई आर एच है, जो कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर है, प्लस पाई आर एल है, जो कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द कोन है. सो इसमें आप पाई आर को कॉमन ले सकते हो, तो आर प्लस 2h प्लस एल, है ना. सो पाई इज योर 22/7, डालो आप 22/7 इंटू आर इज 6 सेंटीमीटर, इंटू आप करोगे यहाँ 6 सेंटीमीटर. हाइट है 2 इंटू 20, 2 इंटू 20 सेंटीमीटर, प्लस एल है 10 सेंटीमीटर. सॉल्व करो तो आपका कितना आता है? 22/7 इंटू 6 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 6 + 40 + 10 सेंटीमीटर, right? So 56 centimeter. So this is 22/7 into 6 centimeter into 56 centimeter, है ना. तो इसको सॉल्व कर डालो अच्छे से. इसको सॉल्व कर देंगे तो कितना आ जाएगा? आप करो इसको. कितना आया आंसर? टेल मी, राइट इन द क्लास चैट बॉक्स. Okay, so 7 1 is 7, 7 8 is 56. So 22 into 48 centimeter square. करो 22 into 48. So that is 1056 centimeter square. है ना. ऐसे सॉल्व करना है इसको. So this is your answer. That is the answer we are looking at. बहुत आसान है सॉल्व कर दिया तो. So it's a good, it's a 5 marks question. Okay, this is a CBSE 2023 5 marks question. है ना. समझ में आ गया आप सबको? Great. Let's go to the next one. Another. This is again another CBSE 2023. It's a 4 mark question. What is the question saying? Let's read. The governing council of a local public development authority of Dehradun decided to build an adventurous playground on top of a hill, which will have adequate space of parking. After survey, it was decided to build a rectangular playground. So that I have made a rectangular playground here with a semicircular area allotted as the parking lot. So this is the parking lot, semicircular area. है ना? The length and breadth of the rectangular field is 14 unit. This is 14 unit this side and 7 unit. So this is 7 unit here, right? There are two quadrants of radius 2 units at one side for special seat. So here there are two quadrants for special seats they have kept in the playground here. And here the radius is equal to 2 unit. Okay, this is 2 unit radius. Let us write it a little properly. So I will write it here. So here the radius is 2 unit. Let us write that first. Here the radius equal to 2 unit and this side is 14 unit, right? So what I have to find? The first thing I have to find is the area of the parking lot, the perimeter of the parking lot. If I have to find the perimeter of parking lot, that is the first thing you have to find in this question. Okay. So perimeter of the parking lot means here radius, this 7 centimeter is the diameter, right? This 7 centimeter, this is the diameter. Okay. So radius, is this side is one radius and this side is one radius. So then what we have, radius equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. So perimeter of the parking lot is, perimeter is this diameter d plus pi r, which is half the semicircle, right? So diameter is 7 centimeter plus 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 centimeter. So 7 7 cancels and this becomes 11. So 7 centimeter plus 11 centimeter, which is equal to 18 centimeter. This is the first part of the question that you have to solve. So after reading that question, I made the diagram. That is the first part. Second part, what they're asking, let's go. You have made the diagram, I hope. Part 2, they're asking total area of parking lot. Total area of the parking lot. And the two quadrants, the seats. Okay, so whatever is not the playground that they're asking. So how will I find out? It is half pi r I have taken. So this I will take as r1. Okay, r1 is 2 unit. So I will make it that difference. Please make a note of that. So half of pi r square, that is half of the semicircle that I have made in blue. Okay, and these are quadrants. Quadrants means 1/4 of the circle, right? So I have two quadrants. 1/4 of the semicircle. So two quadrants I have. That means 1/4 of pi r1 square. So this also cancels. Basically, this is half pi r square plus half pi r1 square. So half pi I can take as common and r square plus r1 square. So r is how much? Radius is 7 by 2 and r1 is 2. Okay. So 7 by 2 centimeter square and r1 is 2, that is 2 centimeter square. So half and pi is 22 by 7 into I have 49 by 4 centimeter square प्लस 4 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो इसको अगर आप सॉल्व कर दोगे तो आपको मिलेगा 715 by 28 units or centimeter square. I have taken as centimeter square, but actually they have given as unit, right? So we should actually write unit here, not the centimeter. So I have taken the unit to be centimeter, but when you are writing the answer, you write it as unit square. So your answer will be like, it is 750, 715 by 28 unit square because they have given it in unit. Okay. So you write it as unit square. So even if you write as unit square, you are getting the full mark here. And that is your answer of the part 2. Third part is also there. There is a third part. What they're asking, part 3. Part 3 they're asking in this question is area of playground by area of the parking lot. Area of playground by area of parking lot. है ना? Area of playground, it is a rectangular playground that is length into breadth, that is 14 into 7. By area of the parking lot, that is the semicircle, half pi r square. R square is 7 by 2. Okay. So we can do 14 into 7 divided by half into pi is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So now lot of things will get crisscrossed. Like this 7 will get cancelled. This 7 will also get cancelled. So this 2 will get cancelled to 11. So I have 14 into 2 into 2 divided by 11, which is nothing but 56 by 11. That is the ratio of the area of the playground to that of the parking lot. And the fourth part they have asked us in this question, they have asked that the total perimeter of the playground and the parking lot, total perimeter of playground and parking lot. Parking lot. So perimeter means, see, let's come here. So I get a 7 centimeter here, if 7 unit here, and I get a 14 unit here. And I get that half of that semicircle of the blue color. So perimeter will become like 7 unit plus 14 unit plus 14 unit plus pi into r. That is the pi r. Okay. So pi r, you can put the value of 22 by 7 into 7 by 2. That is 11 unit here. So 7 plus 14 plus 14 plus 11. So that comes to 46 units. Okay. Correct? Did you get the answer? I hope all of you are solving with me. Okay. So this is how you will solve this question. This was your CBSE 2023 4-mark question. Next. So let us do a card question. It's a sample question, sample suggestion question for 2 marks question, kind of a question it comes. A card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting a card that is neither a black nor a queen? Okay, so cards we have done. We have these concepts in our, we have already done a class on this. So you can go and visit the concepts if you want again a revision. And here the card is drawn at random. So there is a 52 card. And here there is the black card and there is the red card. In black, there is spade and club. And here this is red. In this red, there is diamond and heart, right? This is the breakdown. And there are 13 of each card, right? 13 of each card, spade, heart, diamond and club. So black cards कितने हैं हमारे पास? Black card हमारे पास है 26, है ना? और क्वीन कितने हैं? क्वीन हमारे पास 4 कार्ड्स है. हाँ, एक स्पेड का, एक क्लब का, एक हार्ट का, एक डायमंड का. ये जो स्पेड और क्लब का क्वीन है, इट इज ऑलरेडी अकाउंटेड फॉर इन दिस, है ना? इट इज ऑलरेडी अकाउंटेड फॉर दिस हियर. सो टोटल मेरे ब्लैक कार्ड्स प्लस द क्वीन दैट आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ, टोटल ब्लैक कार्ड प्लस द क्वीन आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ कितने हो जाते हैं? आप, ब्लैक मेरे 26 है प्लस 4 क्वीन है, 2 कॉमन है, मतलब 28 कार्ड्स हो जाते हैं. मतलब 28 कार्ड्स हो जाते हैं, है ना? क्योंकि 2 क्वीन तो मैंने ले लिया है पहले ही, है ना? 2 क्वीन तो मैंने ले लिया है पहले ही. तो नाइदर अ ब्लैक नॉर अ क्वीन, तो मेरे प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना है? सो मेरे फेवरेबल कार्ड्स कितने हैं? फेवरेबल कार्ड्स, फेवरेबल नंबर ऑफ कार्ड्स, इट इज 52 minus 28, that is 24 cards. So then my probability of this particular event is nothing but 24 by 52. That is divide by 6, divide by 4, 6 and 13. 6 by 13. This is the probability that I am looking for. बस इतना ही करना है आपको. तो आपका दो मार्क्स आ जाएगा इसमें. Okay? And that is the answer that we are looking for. Clear? Very good. Let's do another one. Another interesting question. ये क्वेश्चन आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 जो है वो सीबीएसई 2023 का क्वेश्चन है, 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन है, और ये पैटर्न का क्वेश्चन तो बहुत ज्यादा रिपीट होता है. ओके. इफ अ फेयर कॉइन इज टॉस्ड, फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग एट मोस्ट वन हेड. इफ अ फेयर कॉइन इज टॉस्ड ट्वाइस, फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग एट मोस्ट वन हेड. कैसे आता है एट मोस्ट वन हेड? एक एक कॉइन को ट्वाइस हमने किया टॉस, तो व्हाट आर, हाउ इन हाउ मेनी वेज कैन इट बी अरेंज्ड? फर्स्ट बोथ कैन बी हेड, then the first one can be head, second one can be tail, then the first one can be tail and second one can be head, and then both can be tail, right? Only these four combinations are possible. At most one head मतलब ये दो आपका फेवरेबल इवेंट हो गया. At most one head, है ना? लेकिन ये भी तो है जो टेल टेल है, नो हेड सिचुएशन भी वही इस फेवरेबल में ही आता है. नो हेड सिचुएशन, एट मोस्ट वन हेड. तो मतलब चार में से तीन आपका फेवरेबल है, तो फेवरेबल प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग एट मोस्ट वन हेड हो गया आपका 3/4. दैट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एट मोस्ट वन हेड. ठीक है. अच्छा बताओ, तो अगर हमें ऐसा पूछा जाता है एट लीस्ट वन हेड, एट लीस्ट वन हेड ऐसा पूछा जाता है, तब हमारा इवेंट कैसे आएगा? अब हेड हेड, हेड टेल, टेल हेड एंड टेल टेल. एट लीस्ट वन हेड होगा ना, सो दीज आर द थ्री कंडीशंस. मतलब एक हेड या फिर दो हेड, ये आप ले सकते हो एट लीस्ट. सो समझ में आया, एट मोस्ट वन हेड एंड एट लीस्ट वन हेड. तो इस केस में भी प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एटलीस्ट वन हेड भी 3/4 ही है, एटलीस्ट वन हेड. लेकिन विच आर द फेवरेबल इवेंट्स, दैट इज डिफरेंट. सो कभी आपको पूछ सकते हैं एटलीस्ट वन हेड, कभी पूछ सकते हैं एट मोस्ट वन हेड. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. ओके, बट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज fairly repeated very often in your CBSE question papers. तो आज हमने 5 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए जो आपके 2023 में आए हैं, एंड one we saw that had come in 2013, but they are all formats which are repeated very very often. So practice this kind of questions, and I will see you again with some other PYQs in the next class. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.